Hey viewers, today we are going to review Cline AI. So let's get started. Cline AI is a AI coding assistant particularly for VS coding that acts as autonomous agent to handle complex multi-file coding tasks. It excels at understanding project context, breaking down tasks, and showing plan actions for developer approval before execution. So what are the strengths? The first one is autonomous in multi-file. Client can work independently on complex tasks, making changes across multiple files and showing developers a different view of approval, which is a plus point. The second one is it understands project structure, dependencies, and documentation to produce more relevant coding, aligning with architectural contracts and conventions. It makes it context aware. The third feature is developer-friendly features. It integrates with VS Code, breaks down complex problems into manageable steps, and offers features like terminal command execution and automated browser interactions, which makes it more attractive. It is a flexible and transparent platform. It supports multiple LLMs and self-hosted setups, making it customizable and allowing developers to control cost and maintain privacy. Practical and reliable. Reviews describe it as a reliable teammate, which is a plus point. Now we have some weaknesses. It is not a perfect platform as it sometimes gets stuck or gets its solution without enough information. It sometimes shows low performance effect as too many files open in VS Code can negatively affect its performance and slow down the process. It still requires some more learning as it is good for simpler tasks or to start or build trust and familiarize yourself with capabilities, but it is not good for complex projects. It needs some more development for these kind of projects. So who can use it? Professional developers, people who prioritize control and transparency, and who want a more autonomous agents. So that's all about Cline AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.